Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about an exciting new update that allows you to easily view all shared documents on Messenger's web chat from your PC. Whether you're keeping track of important files for work, school, or personal use, this feature makes it simpler than ever. Let's dive into the straightforward steps you need to follow to access your shared documents seamlessly. First, you'll want to open your Messenger account on your PC. This is where the magic begins. Once you're logged in, navigate your way to find the chat where you'd like to see the shared documents. It's as easy as scrolling through your chat list or using the search function to locate that conversation. Now that you've found the chat, the next step is to click on Media and Files, which you can find in the right side menu. This section is a treasure trove of all the shared media and files for that specific chat. It's organized and easy to browse, making it simple to find what you're looking for. Finally, once you're in the Media and Files tab, you'll see options displayed in front of you. Go ahead and choose Files. This will show you a complete list of all documents that have been shared in the chat. And just like that, you have access to everything shared, all in one place. So, there you have it. With these simple steps, you can effortlessly manage and access your shared documents on Messenger web chat from your PC. Thanks for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and updates.